Let's check out another unboxing. If you know what this is from me. Alright, we're going to use the Knives by Nuge on this one. Just kind of zip it open. Be careful not to cut anything inside of it. Ooh, we almost did. Alright, get in there. And these are going to be hats. Get that box out of the way. Let's open up this first one. Got the awesome blacked out stitching on the logo. This is the camo version. Got a snapback. This is like a trucker style hat. So let's check out the other one. This one's going to be a Richardson 112 hat. Got the blacked out logo as well on a gray trucker style hat. These are going to be listed on the website at gearrelated.co. Be sure and check them out if you're interested.